What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. It's been a few days since I posted a video. I wanted to post you a update on IVR, and I'm still closely watching them. But I have 5 dividend growth REITs that are extremely hot, and these are ones that many dividend investors love, and I wouldn't be surprised are buying on Easter Monday. Some of them I'm closely watching, and again, I'm very disappointed with Life Storage, just like Store Capital. You know, nobody's going to remember them since they get acquired, and they were very solid dividend growth stocks, and guess what? They sold their soul to another company, so they're out. I mean, I'm never going to mention them again because they're going to be non-existent. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check these REITs out right now. So here's the first real estate investment trust. I'm going to go over VICI Properties. It's sitting at 3232. 2017, it basically formed a spinoff from Caesars Entertainment Corporation as part of a bankruptcy reorganization. Right now, it currently owns 48 casinos, hotels, and racetracks, and 4 golf courses, gosh, I can't even talk, across the United States and Canada. This REIT is very hot. I just received a dividend from these guys, and I'm going to continue to buy these guys. The average volume is 7.54 million. The market cap is 32.46 billion US dollars. View range is 26.42 to 35.69. Stay range is $32 to 32.33, and its previous close was 32.10. As you can tell, during the pandemic, it was crushed by the S&P, and everything closed. So these guys have been down. They slowly have beaten the S&P in the past 5 years. They were killing them before the pandemic hit, but now they're starting to make a comeback. So this is a time for me to capitalize on them before they even start jumping up even higher. Now let's go over their revenue and dividend history. And I have done numerous reviews on these guys, but I still want to include these guys. Their FFO has been pretty strong. And of course, I'm not giving financial advice for entertainment purposes, only disclaimer in the description. Look at their revenue trends. And as you know, with a real estate investment trust, 90% of what they make usually have to go back to investors. That's the rule of a real estate investment trust / REIT. So 2017, this is in millions US dollars. Here's their revenue, annual data, 187, 2018, 897, 2019, 894, 2020, 1,225, 2021, 1,509, and 2022, 2,600. So usually when there's an increase in revenue, the board of directors feel very confident in hiking its dividend. Let's go over its dividend history. So right here, let's check out its dividend growth. 2018, it was 16 cents to 26 cents to 29 cents. Then 2019, it jumped to 30 cents. Then 2020, it jumped to 33 cents. 2021, it jumped to 36 cents. And then 2023, it jumped to 39 cents. So their payout ratio, according to Zacks, is 81%. Not too concerned. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 6. So the dividend growth in 5 years is 8.31%. So if you bought one share, you made 156 with a 4.83% dividend yield. To be honest with you, pandemic / recession, these guys appear to be a recession-proof real estate investment trust. Pandemic-wise, you know, they took a hit. I mean, that's kind of extremely rare for something like that to happen with a virus like COVID. I doubt that'll ever happen. You know, knock on wood. I'm not giving medical advice. But there's a lot more confidence out there, and some hospitals are allowing people not to wear masks anymore because of the decreased numbers of COVID outbreaks. So these guys are going to be strong, and people love to party and gamble and go to casinos and play golf. So this is one stock that I've been buying and loading up on, and this helps me with my dividend growth investing strategy. Let's check out the next dividend stock. And I just recently posted a video on these guys, so check that out in my previous videos. National Storage Affiliates Trust for a detailed review on these guys. They're sitting at 42.84. The average volume is 840.74K. Market cap is 3.85 billion US dollars. The tier range is 34.90 to 67.44. These guys are slowly beating the S&P. They took a huge dip. So I'm capitalizing on these guys. And guess what? My Zim dividends are buying these guys. on Monday. Day range is 41.95 to 42.87. Its previous close is 42.41. Now, let's check out their revenue and dividend history. The revenue-wise, these guys have done very strong. By the way, in my description, there's a lot of dividend investing strategy Gumroad books that a lot of my friends have allowed me to affiliate with. Some of them are covered call options, doing puts, turbocharging your dividend portfolio, some advice regarding investors, especially dividend seekers, REIT. That's a good one. His Gumroad book on REITs. I call him the REIT King. So that's something you might want to capitalize on if you're interested. So here's these guys' revenue in millions US dollars: 2016, 199, 2017, 268, 2018, 330, 2019, 387, 2020, 432, 2021, 585, 2022, 801. So there's a huge increase in revenue. And check out this dividend growth. And by the way, don't forget, I did a detailed review on some of these stocks in my previous videos the past 2 weeks. So check out those previous videos on my channel if you're new. All right, let's check out their dividend history. And this dividend growth by NSA is astonishing. So 2015 it was 15 cents to 19 cents to 20 cents. 2016 it was 22 cents to 24 cents. 2017 26 cents to 28 cents. And then to 29 cents to 30 cents to 32 cents to 33 cents to 34 cents. 35 cents, then 2021 38 cents to 41 cents, then 21 cents to 45 cents, 2022 50 cents to 55 cents. So their payout ratio is 78%, not too concerned. Their number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 11. Dividend growth in 5 years is 16.37%. So if you bought one share, you made 220 with a 5.14% dividend yield. High yield dividend stock, 5-year excellent dividend growth. Let's jump to the next real estate investment trust. And I just posted a recent video on American Tower Corp as well, so check that one out. I just added this to my traditional IRA. It's sitting at 206.69. You'll see why I added it if you watch my previous videos. The average volume is 2.33 million. Market cap is 96.24 billion US dollars. Its year range is 178.17 to 247. Day range is 203.53 to 207.01, and its previous close was 204.69. Now let's check out their revenue and dividend history. The revenue-wise, this is in millions US dollars. 2016, 5,785. 2017, 6,663. 2018, 7,440. 2019, 7,580. 2020, 8,041. 2021, 9,356, and then 2022, 10,711. Now let's check out their dividend history. This is why I got aggressive with my traditional IRA. It's great to have VTI and VGT and SCHD, but I need a little bit of an aggressive push as well with my traditional IRA. So check out the dividend history. And again, these guys are beating the S&P. This is a perfect IRA stock for me because 1, it increases my net asset value. 2, it's done well against the S&P. 3, its revenue's done well. 4, it's an excellent dividend growth stock and it's hiked its dividend. Check this out. 2012, 21 cents to 22 cents to 23 cents, 24 cents in 2012. 2013, 26 cents to 27 cents to 28 cents to 29 cents. 2014, 32 cents. to 34 cents, to 36 cents, to 38 cents. And look at this. I'm going to jump all the way to 2023, which now it's 156. So that is a huge increase in dividend growth. Payout ratio is 63%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 20. Dividend growth in 5 years is 16.63%. So if you bought one share, you made 624 with a 3.02% dividend yield. So again, investing in individual stocks is always a risk. I'm not giving financial advice for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in the description. But don't forget, with ETFs and index funds, there is an expense ratio. So I don't always want money taken out for being a shareholder. And guess what? I don't get money taken out from these guys. So this is one thing I really like about owning individual stocks versus ETFs or mutual funds or index funds, because guess what? You have an expense ratio. I don't care what symbol it is. I don't care what company. I think the only one is that zero Fidelity Zero Fund or something. I think that's the only one that I'm aware of that has a 0% expense ratio. Now let's jump to the next two real estate investment trusts. Next one is CubeSmart. This is another public storage facility or self-storage facility in the United States. This is a REIT. This is hot. I have seen it all the time on the highway with their big logo CubeSmart sitting at 47.80. I did a review on these guys. I'll put it in the top right hand corner. Average volume 2.14 million. Market cap is 10.74 billion US dollars. Its year range is 36.82 to 54.95. Day range is 46.74 to 47.85, and its previous close is 47.54. Check out this revenue and dividend history, and I'll give you in the top right hand corner a detailed video that I did on these guys. So I'll probably try to do this with all my REITs that I had. So let's check out these guys out. Let's check this out. This huge increase in revenue. This is in millions of US dollars. 2016, 510, 2017, 558, 2018, 597, 2019, 643, 2020, 679, 2021, 822, and then 2022, 1009. Now check out their dividend growth history, which is crazy. Check out their dividend growth. Let's start 2014, 13 cents, 2015, 16 cents to 21 cents, 2017, 27 cents, 2018, 30 cents, 2019, 32 cents, 2020, 33 cents, 2021, 34 cents, 2022, 43 cents to 49 cents. Payout ratio is 77%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth on 5 years is 10.21%. So if you bought one share, you made 196 with a 4.10% dividend yield. Let's jump to the final REIT. In the final REIT, I'm going to include Stag Industrial. It's sitting at 33.12. The average volume is 1.23 million. The market cap is 5.94 billion US dollars. Its year range is 26.56 to 42.49. Day range is 32.96 to 33.36, and its previous close is 33.19. So this is a monthly dividend real estate investment trust. It's pretty good industrial REIT, but the one thing that puts these guys on the map is they're a monthly dividend real estate investment trust. And their dividend growth is a little slow, but I'll go over their revenue and dividend history. So with these guys, here's their revenue in millions US dollars. 2016, 250. 2017, 301, 2018, 350, 2019, 405, 2020, 483, 2021, 562, and then 2022, 657. There is a huge increase in revenue from 2016 to 2022. Now let's jump to their dividend history. Now I included these guys because they have never cut their dividend, and they appear to be a pandemic-proof and recession-proof slow dividend growth stock, but there's potential with these guys, and I like monthly dividends, so this is the reason why I bought them. So 2014 they were 11 cents, then 2015 they jumped to 12 cents. They do have a very slow dividend growth, but in the long run there could be potential with these guys. Again, I'm not giving financial advice for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in the description in all of my videos. But I'll take a risk with these guys. They have a payout ratio of 66%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 6. Dividend growth in 5 years is 0.70%. So if you bought one share, you made 147 with a 4.44% dividend yield. Now, they have a lot of dividend safety. Obviously, Prologis is a way better industrial REIT than these guys. But in the long run, these guys will potentially hike their dividend. I'm not giving any, I'm just looking at their trends with their revenue and what the board of directors have done consistently on their basis and what they have done with their trends, and their revenue is going up. So if there's an increase in revenue, 90% of what they make have to go back to investors. This is why I added these guys. I'm still adding them to my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. All these stocks are in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio that I've mentioned. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I'm going to have a video for you guys tomorrow, so make sure you hit that notification bell after you subscribe and check my daily channel. Check it daily because I post shorts and I post videos. Take care and have a great Good Friday.